Hello everyone, welcome to our online video lecture series, and in this video lecture we will learn about class 11 maths trigonometric functions part 3.7. So in this video lecture we will discuss about the submultiple formulas. So before that, let's revise few important identities. So that is sine alpha plus beta, which is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Second identity we will use, that is cos alpha plus beta, which is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. And third identity which we are going to use here is tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So let's start today's class. Submultiple identities. So we know that sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Correct. But if I replace this y with x, so let's put y is equal to x in equation 1. It will give me sin x plus x, sin x, cos x, cos x, sin x. So what I did here, I replaced this y with x. So now you can see that this will become sine of 2x, sin x cos x, and this is also sin x cos x. So this is my first submultiple identity, that sin 2x will be equal to 2 sin x cos x. So let's divide numerator and denominator by cos square x on the right hand side. So if I divide by cos square x to this one, numerator, that is 2 sin x cos x, and denominator is 1. So let's divide that. So it will become 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x and 1 divided by cos square x. And dear children, as you know that this cos and cos will be cancelled. So 2 sin x by cos x will become 2 tan x, and 1 by cos square will become sec square x, which is equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is our identity, that secant square x will be equal to 1 plus tan square x. So these are the two important identities, that sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and second is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So let's discuss about cos. So we know that cos of x plus y will be equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And in the same pattern, let's replace this y with x. Let's put y is equal to x. So it will give me cos x plus x. This y will also convert into x, and this y will also be converted into x. So it becomes cos of x plus x 2x. So cos 2x, that side cos x into cos x, cos square x, sin x into sin x, sin square x. So put sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x in equation 2. And if I expand this bracket, this will become negative and it will become positive. So cos 2x will become 2 cos square x minus 1. So these are the two different identities we got now. Let's do change once again. So let's put, instead of here what we did, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So let's do a change. Instead of putting that sin square x, let's put cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x in equation 2. What is equation 2? This one is my equation 2. So here it will become cos 2x. Instead of cos square x, write 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. And on simplification, minus sin square and minus sin square will become minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x will become 1 minus 2 sin square x. In case, as previous one, if I divide this equation number 2 by cos square x on the right hand side. So numerator and denominator, let's both divide by cos square x. So it will happen that cos 2x will be equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x, as well as 1 is also divided by cos square x. So it will become cos square x by cos square x cancelled. Sin square x by cos square x will become tan square x. And 1 by cos square will become secant square x, which is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So this is also very important identities. So if you observe here cos 2x, we will have the 4 basic identities. First is cos square x minus sin square x. Second is 2 cos square x minus 1. Third is 1 minus 2 sine square x. And fourth is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Let's proceed to add tan to x. So we'll start with that tan to x is sine to x by cos to x. And sine to x was in tan that 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. And cos to x was 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So first what we will do, we'll do the reciprocal of that. So I did the reciprocal, and after reciprocal you can see that this 1 plus tan square x is get cancelled, and the answer is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. And the other ways, you can use tan x plus y identity, that x plus y will become tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y, and replace this y with x. So replace the y with x. So this will give me tan x plus x. So tan 2x. And this side tan x plus tan y, 1 minus tan x into tan y will become y is to be replaced with x. So tan x, and this will also become tan x. So tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x, and denominator will become 1 minus tan square x. So this is our identity that tan 2x will be equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So these were the tan 2x, sin 2x, and cos 2x. Let's discuss about the 3x identities. First, sin 3x. Sin 3x can be written as sin 2x plus x. Now here I will apply sin x plus y identity. And what is the sin x plus y identity? That sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So now if you compare with this one, replace this x with 2x and y with x. So this will become sin 3x will become sin 2x plus x, sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x. So what I did here, instead of x, write 2x. Your first term will become 2x, and second angle is, instead of y, write x. So sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x. So, but I want all the terms in terms of sine. So I will use this sin 2x and cos 2x identity in terms of sine. So you remember that sin 2x was equal to 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x was equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Let's put the value of these two. So sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, and cos 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. So it becomes sin 3x. Instead of this sin 2x, I put 2 sin x cos x, and instead of cos 2x, let me put the value. Now it becomes cos x into cos x, cos square x, and if I open this bracket, it will become 1 into sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So 2 sin x cos square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So what we will do, now I will replace this cos square x with 1 minus sin square x. Then sin 3x will become 2 sin x, 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. And on expanding, I'll get my identity that 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x, and 2 sin x into this will become minus 2 sin cube x. Sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So cube terms having the cube we will write together. So 2 sin x plus sin x will become 3 sin x, and this will become minus 4 sin cube x. So sin 3x will be 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is our identity. Next, cos 3x, and the same pattern we will apply. We will divide it into cos 2x plus x, and we will apply identity of cos of x plus y. Cos x plus y, cos x, cos y minus sin x sin y. And expand this cos 2x plus x with the same identity. It will become cos of 2x, cos of x minus sin of x, and into sin x. Let's put the value of cos 2x and sin 2x, but this time we will try to put the values in terms of cos. So cos 2x I am writing here. 2 cos square x minus 1. If you remember in the previous one, I wrote 1 minus 2 sin square x. So let's put it. So cos 3x will become 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus 2 sin x cos x into sin x. So what I did here, I put the value of this cos 2x and sin 2x. And if we simplify these two, so I'll get 2 cos cube x, 1 into cos x minus 2 sin x into sin x will become sin square x into cos x. Okay, now replace this sin square x with the 1 minus cos square x. So let's put the value. So cos 3x will become 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 1 minus sin square x into cos x. So cos 3x will be 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Let's multiply it. Minus 2 cos x and minus minus will become plus. See, this minus and minus will become plus. 2 cos square x into cos x will become 2 cos cube x. So 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Cos 3x identity will be 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is our identity. Next is tan 3x. So tan 3x also split it in 2x plus x. Now I will apply tan of x plus y. This is just tan x plus tan y, 1 minus tan x tan y. So instead of x, write 2x, and instead of y, write x. So it becomes tan 2x plus tan x, 1 minus tan 2x tan x. So put tan 2x value, which is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So tan 3x will become 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x, and denominator will become 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Now take the LCM and simplify them. So after LCM, yes, in denominator also 1 minus tan square is LCM. So it will become 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x. So after cancelling 1 minus tan square x, I'll get 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So this is our tan 3x identity. So here it was cancelled. So that was all about this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.